Welcome back, guys, to a monthly favorites video. Today's video is going to be super different than usual because while I'm talking about my favorites, I am going to do my makeup while I'm talking about the products, trying to incorporate some of my favorites in this makeup look. First of all, this hair. I've been having such a hard time with my hair lately. I don't know if you've noticed on my Instagram and social media, but I've been trying to slowly but surely get an ombre look, and tomorrow we're gonna go even lighter on the ends, so stay tuned. You've probably already seen it by the time you see this video because this video is not going up till later. But I'm just flattening down my eyebrows. We're gonna start off with the eye look first and like do maybe a yellow flower here with butterfly wings. I've been really inspired by like nature, and I've been trying to get to a lot of gardens on my free time and just hang out and chill and like get out more. But let's talk about non-beauty favorites first. So I've been obsessed with the Black Tapes podcast. If you haven't heard of it, it's such a crazy series about trying to distinguish the paranormal from reality. I don't want to give away too much, but it gets dark, talks about demons and stuff like that. Gotta do the primer shake. Kidding. Speaking of purple, like the glue I put on my eyebrows every time I deplete them. Have you heard of the Purple Mattress? Purple Mattress, it's everything that you expect it to be. I have to say I was suckered in at first from the commercials because they're so well made. But that mattress, it's everything. I can't feel my boyfriend like when he like jumps into bed, or if one of us gets to bed later than the other, we can't feel the other person. It is so comfortable. It's just so incredible. Getting some orange paint from my Monarch butterfly that I'm gonna do on the lower right here. I'm looking at my phone back and forth at my favorites, and this is another fave of mine. I got this phone case on Amazon. I'll try to link it if they still have it. Phone cases are so expensive. They're like $30 to $40 or more, and this was like 11 something dollars US, and it has these smiling like cactuses on it. And I have a little pop socket that looks like a moon. And when I was visiting Texas, my phone case was breaking without me realizing it, so I got that one. Honestly, I think it is the best phone case that I could have possibly gotten. I just have bad luck with any type of electronics or appliances. Another random thing that's my favorite is I had to buy a new refrigerator because my old one broke. What YouTuber talks about refrigerators and beds as their favorites? Me. Refrigerators are so expensive if you buy them brand new. The cheapest one is like $700. For the cheapest. Just like a basic refrigerator, but it's a lot nicer than I thought it was gonna be. And then our water line broke, so we couldn't even attach the freezer later on if we want to. Like I said, I had the worst luck with appliances and electronics. They just don't like me. But yeah, I'm so happy with the fridge. I've been filling it with healthy foods because I've been on a health kick lately, and I've been doing the MyFitnessPal app. Not sponsored, wish it was. I've lost 13 pounds on that app before, so I'm doing it again. I'm not like going crazy. I'm eating what I want, but I'm just looking at my macros and how much nutrients I get in a day and what my calorie intake is, and it's really been helping me. I'm only on day 5 right now. I'm still craving ice cream, chocolate chip ice cream every night. I eat fruit instead, and I try not to eat too many snacks, and when I do, it's always fruit and vegetables. Here's my favorite fruits and vegetables to snack on. These mini bell peppers, they're so delicious. I just get some like light ranch or something, like just the serving size, like a tablespoon or 2, and dip it in there, and I could just eat bell peppers twice a day if I wanted to. I don't like green ones. I like the mini ones because they only come with yellow, orange, and red. Speaking of food category, I have to tell you about this tea. This is the Bigelow lemon ginger tea. Supports healthy digestion, and it's caffeine free, all natural. If you put a little bit of like sugar or a sugar substitute or honey with this, it tastes like pie to me, and I miss pie because I can't have pie because you guys, if you know me for a while, you know I'm allergic to literally everything in life. So that's been super delicious, especially at night when you shouldn't be eating because it's so late and you just want to binge on food, but it's like 2 in the morning. Another monthly favorite is this. I made a purchase from Lunchbox. Lunchbox is a brother-sister company to Hot Topic, except that some of the proceeds that you buy stuff from them goes to a charity. I've been loving this. It's so tiny. It's a Little Mermaid Ariel mirror. I should tell you about another favorite since I showed you my phone and my phone case. Another thing that's my favorite on the phone, HQ. HQ is a online mobile game show. So every day of the week, noon or 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time here in the US and California. I don't know if this is US only, I should have looked. They have this game show and they compete for $5,000. Some days they've gone to like $10,000. I've seen them go up to $300,000 when they have like The Rock hosting it. I have to tell you about these other things I got from Lunchbox. I got this Patronus Harry Potter sweatpants. They're the most high quality sweatpants I own. They have pockets, a very thick waistband strap, and they have the little, I love when they have like, they tighten at the ends of your ankles because I feel like they're just more cozy. Another monthly favorite is this backpack. I love the text Harry Potter backpack. As I get older, my backpacks get smaller. It's so tiny and cute. I love it. I need to go to Harry Potter World so bad. I tell myself that every year that it's been out and I still have not gone. Another monthly favorite, other than this that came from the same store, girl, I got me a Jack Skellington wallet. I'm afraid look, it's already getting dirty. This is what I was afraid of, but the other side is so Tim Burton. But let me put these white dots on this Monarch butterfly that makes it look like he has dandruff, but it's cute dandruff. Monarch butterfly. Just let's paint our hair white. Getting old anyways, why not? We're gonna move on to eyeshadows after I put a base on. My all-time favorite eyeshadow palette lately has been the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory collaboration with Storybook Cosmetics. I'm not usually a huge fan of white packaging because as you can see, it's already getting dirty. But this, oh, look at them colors. Ooh, I've never smelled this before. It smells like chocolate. Love it more. I love the pigmentation. I love how they blend together. I love the mix of mattes, pops of color that could go good with summer. This yellow is amazing. This is so incredibly good. It's so worth the money. We need to delete all human forms like eyebrows. Still haven't put on foundation. I might incorporate some aqua paints in this, and I don't want the aqua paints to melt into the foundation. Just layering on different concealers to hide the brow. Orange on orange, yes. I've been obsessed with eating oranges this month too. Eating healthy has been such a difficult task. Again, I'm only on week 1. That's probably why it's so difficult. But I just know it'll be so worth it later on. And I've been working out every other day. I've been counting them calories, girl. I stopped drinking Red Bulls. That was a huge thing. And I sleep better. And I'm less bloated. Another monthly favorite, oof, girl, if you haven't noticed my nails, they literally look like Little Mermaid, pearls from the ocean. If I could pick a nail polish to wear every day of my life, I think it would be this one. This is the Nails Inc. London brand of nail polish in Rainbow Wishes. They came out with this unicorn collab, I think with 2 nail polishes from Sephora. And I top it with this Twyla True Lasting Shine Free lacquer, and it's in sparkling water. It's like this hollow sparkle. Let's start with this yellow eye look. I'm gonna gradually go from this deep golden brown from that Charlie and the Chocolate Factory golden brown. This isn't golden brown, golden yellow, and go lighter, brighter yellow. This is more of a yellow orange, I feel like personally, than an actual straight up orange of an Oompa Loompa. Now with another flat shader brush by Bigelow Tools. This is an effects makeup creator that actually made this brand. I'm going in with Fizzy Lifting Drink. I'm putting that over top. If Las Vegas, Nevada had an eyeshadow color, it might come close to this color. There's a lot of fallout with this color, but more than the other colors I find in the shadow palette, but it's so worth it. Look at that. I'm just gonna go in with a dry blending brush with that same goldeny color. Blend her into those where my eyebrows used to be. She comes out great wet, but when she's dry, she doesn't come out well. I'm gonna use this yellow tone from the 35B Morphe palette. This is my favorite yellow eyeshadow. And we're gonna blend her for the gods into where our eyebrows used to exist. Just going in with the Graftobian Aqua Paint, and I'm just doing some... This is gonna be so crazy when I have to do foundation around all this detail. I haven't done a look where it's like so whimsy and like an idea of my own. And I don't even know how long, which is crazy. Blend it into the shadow area so that we could blend all of it. Let's put some white in there too. We're just gonna blend more yellow eyeshadow into here. As I'm making my eyes look like sunset flowers, I need to tell you about this brush for foundation by Morphe. It's the E7 brush. I usually don't do foundations with brushes. I usually am a beauty sponge type of girl. But this, for a full coverage moment, when I have to mix my beauty foundations right next to my prosthetics to have a full coverage kind of day, this is freaking amazing. They're difficult to wash out because they're so highly packed bristles. The angle of it is great for right under those cheeks. Holy grail type of brush. Going with the Snolls, baby. So it evenly transitions into that yellow. This looks so much better than this, right? Because it's blended higher. Just getting a little angled brush with the Snozzberry orange and doing like these. Universal Earth and this beautiful Makeup Forever pencil. We're gonna do like dots. And the great thing about these are so creamy that you don't have to push hard to hurt your eye. I might even do a winged liner with this. Ooh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do brown with black on the bottom. This is whatever black that we use for those wings. The next monthly favorite, oh my gosh, these lashes by Page Boy. I bought like stacks on stacks of them. They are by the brand Kiss and they're sold at Walmart. Super affordable. They're so fluttery. I even use them for like a natural everyday look, but that might be a little extra. I love lashes that are short here and they gradually flare out to a longer lash. I am not gonna use those lashes today though for this look because I feel like we need something with oomph. I need to get back into drugstore mascaras because I was using Tarte's for forever and it was just getting so expired that it was scary. The lashes we're using today are the Wonderlust B-Bell lashes. This is my last pair of these, which is sad because where I want to go ham on the look, where I want to go intense, I always love these lashes. They're so crazy. As long as they don't stick to my finger and actually my face. Look at that. Yes. Ooh, another monthly favorite. You know me, I don't like my lips to be crusty and dry and I don't like my hands and feet to be. This is a hand salve by Witch Baby. This one's my favorite scent. I don't know what scent. Oh, the Gossip Stopper salve. This one's also good. This is the Seance. These are like, they're really weird. I'll show you with one lash on. They're like balms and you let the body heat of your finger warm it up and then you like rub it in just a very tiny amount. It rubs it into the hands. Witch Baby's been one of my favorite body brands. They send me things, but I would not talk about brands unless I love them truly. I even put a little bit on my heels. It makes them nice and not cracky because I'm always afraid of getting cracked heels. Now I'm just gonna go in with Tarte Shape Tape around the forms on my eyes. Getting a like rectangle brush, go around here to really crisp up the edges to make them look cleaner. Oh, another monthly favorite. I need to talk about this restaurant. But it's in Sunset Beach and it's called The Secret Spot and they have food there that's gluten-free. They have food there that's vegan, vegetarian friendly, and for people that eat all kinds of food. Me and my boyfriend are obsessed. It's just great food. The people there who work there are so incredibly nice and it's just a hole in the wall. It's just my type of favorite place, like where all the locals go to. But it's definitely like you sit looking at the beach on Sunset Beach. So it's not fancy whatsoever. I'm not a fancy type of gal if you guys haven't noticed. Okay, now that we did that concealer, I'm gonna go in with this Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation, which is one of my favorites. It's like a semi-matte finish and it's not too matte, so I could wear it, because if I wear too matte a foundation, I'm using my favorite brush, my skin will crack. No, but it will not be good because I have dry skin. It's definitely a medium to full coverage foundation. Another monthly favorite has been the TV show Treehouse Masters. I think that's why I'm in such a nature mood. Obsessed. I forgot what channel it's on. I have a feeling it's Animal Planet. Not 100% sure. Now let's powder the face, shall we? With my Maybelline True Fit. Spray some Fix Plus. Before going into my other monthly favorites, this is the MAC Robert Lee Morris collaboration. I have a love-hate relationship with the packaging. They're so pretty, just so pretty, but for traveling, I would not take these with me. It's just so much wasted space in here, but I've been obsessed with this. It's called a blush, but that's definitely a highlighter. It says powder blush in peach, but that's a highlighter. It's so pretty. I'm gonna definitely use that on my face right now. And this blush in Linda, oof, she's like a terracotta peach with some roses in it. I don't have a favorite contour this month, so I'm gonna go in with my usual fave. This is the 9C palette. Now let's slap on this favorite blush of mine. It's so pretty. I use this almost every day this past month. It's just so gorge. I like to put a little bit of blush on my nose. Just feel like it gives a rosiness, like a glowing from within, almost like a natural flush. This highlight is definitely, it has hints, it looks like in the pan of peach. She's not too blinding, but she's lovely. Like, you could build it up. Oh, I love the Cupid's Bow highlight, you guys know. You need to get a smaller fluffy brush and then put that where, I would normally put the highlight where that wing is, but I'm gonna put it right around here. Put it on the inner corner as well. I feel like we're missing just a little something. I'm gonna get that color from the Charlie and Chocolate Factory, Snozzberries again. I'll put some right in here. Now my last monthly favorites are two lip products. I know these are so bougie, they're YSL, and I'm so fortunate to have them send me lip products. This is the Tint and Balm. This is such an everyday color whenever I'm just heading out the door. The only thing that I hate about this line of lipsticks, because they did send me the whole collection, most of the line is pink tone. I wish they had a natural lip for women of color more, like plums and like a mauvey brown. I mean, for us lighter skin girls is great, but see how pink of a flush it is? This is the liquid color balm they have, and the smell is like Georgia Sweet Peaches. At first it applies a lot, but once you blend it in, if you put a lipstick with the gloss on top, if that's in a one product. There's one that I'm gonna use today that's more of an orange tone, but most of them are pinks. I wish they had berry colors, browns, just different ones. It doesn't come out of his coral when you blend it. Oh dear goodness, this is so nice. So that is the end of our monthly favorites and chit chat. Get ready with me doing this Monarch butterfly look with Makeup Forever. They're doing this charity event with Hedrick Martin and their foundation that helps the LGBTQ community, and hashtag accepted everywhere. With these lip pencils, you could use these everywhere on your face and you should be accepted everywhere. So I'm doing that for Instagram. That's why I decided to do this video. Thanks again for hanging out with me today, guys. Leave a comment if you would like to see more videos like this where I sit here and talk about not just my favorites, but just chit chat about my life. Let me know if you want to see more beauty stuff while I chit chat with you all, because I miss like just talking to you like this. But I'm gonna get going. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like that, and definitely a ton of makeup transformations in the future. I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye.